Okie dokie. We got a Switch 2, and we're gonna unbox it together. Alright, so here's the side of the box. Here's the back of the box. Here's the other side. Here's this side. And I did get the Mario Kart bundle, so that's important. Boom. Alright, let's open it. There's a little pull tab. Oh, there's the bottom. Let's see here. Yes. Just little Joy-Cons. Alright. Here's the device itself. It's actually pretty weighty. Man, it's I like it though. It's like a good weight to it. Alright, and then should be the game. Some instruction guides, HDMI cords. Yep, high speed. And then here's my bumpers. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. I don't see the game just yet. I think it's in there somewhere. I just missed it. Here's my bumper controller. And I really love Nintendo's unboxing experience. Type-C cable, power adapter. I have plenty of these. I probably won't use this. But this is a power adapter. And then here's our new dock. So this is the new dock. That's what that looks like. So I'm gonna put that right here. And then let's see if we can find our game. Now it's a little code somewhere. We'll find it. It's in there somewhere. All right. So let's do a bit of cleaning up. Let's see here. Put our dock right there. See the console itself. Oh, that's clean. And I do see that screen protector, but it's so flush that you don't even feel the need to take it off. Here's that. Here's what it looks like at the front. Yeah, this looks a lot more premium than the first one. Looks a lot more legit. A lot more legit. Okay, I'm gonna put that down for a moment. Put the dock over here. Let's get the Joy-Cons out. Yeah, these feel great. These feel great. All right, let's see for the first time my reaction to the little Joy-Con. That's nice. And then let's put this one out. Here's the red one. Nice. Let's do that. Uh-oh. There we go. You can actually see the green, the blue, and the red. That's pretty cool. You can actually see it a little bit. Got some net right there. Yep, this is legit. You know, I've had Steam Deck before. I've had the Portal, PlayStation Portal. This is like, honestly, like, man, Nintendo knows what they're doing with what they're doing with their handhelds. This feels great. This feels really good in the hand. This is one of the best handhelds that I've ever felt before. Honestly, I've had them all. This feels the best in the hand. And to be so thin, that's very thin and so premium. It's made of plastic, but it feels like premium plastic, the most premium plastic ever. That's what that looks like. And so let's turn it on and let's get that update running. Let's see what the screen looks like for the first time. Sorry, I just like smelling things, man. This is legit. Nintendo is great, man. First impressions of the screen, it looks sharp, very sharp. The bezels are a little bit big, but they're not incredibly big. I'm putting my password to my Wi-Fi in right now. Let's do this. So that's connecting. Also, the screen is isn't as bright as I thought it would be, and I'm pretty sure I can increase the okay. You want me to detach the Joy-Con? This feels really good in the hand. Detach the Joy-Con. And I'm gonna place it down like this. I'm gonna use them like this. Okay, so we got 2 minutes for the update. I'm gonna put the Joy-Cons back. I'm gonna place this right here. Get this. Also, the speaker sounds really good too. And yeah, I guess I'll make another video when this is done. And I'm gonna look for that key card. But thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the Switch 2. Wow, man, long time coming. Long time coming. I'll definitely make more videos of this, but thank you so much for watching this. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.